Oh my god. Okay.
I had a popcorn kernel in the back of my throat.
Okay, basically we're just, we're not racist, but this is what came up. We were doing ghetto stuff, and it said if black people own Disney Channel, Ghetto, Part 3.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm gonna die.
I don't know who you are.
This Kermit, who the fuck is it?
I don't know what you want.
I want you to stop playing on my goddamn phone.
You're basic. And I'm a motherfucking, boss ass bitch. Yeah!
The fuck are you doing? She's trying to fuck me! What? Bring your ass back. Shit, you big bitch, move your fat ass in this. Your man wants me. You ain't even cute. Bitch, what? You heard me. That's not what your nigga said. Oh, bitch!
I wanna be where the strippers are. I wanna see that ass clap.
My life's been perfect ever since I met you on the Badoo app. Oh my gosh, I love you, Ken. I love you too, Polly Pocket. Who? Boo Boo is so over. Barbie. Girl, your man is thirsty. He asked to eat my booty. Girl, hold up. Boo Boo, did you say you're gonna eat her booty? Shit, no. Mm-hmm. Bitch, who the fuck you think you fooling?
Fucking ugly ass nigga. Oh, dust ass, crust ass, bust ass, mustache. Shut up.
Oh! You mad or not? Oh! Bitch. Girl, let me walk him if I beat this bitch ass. Miss Puff got that ass, though. I beat that ass in my sponge, though. You feel me, my nigga? Yeah, nigga. Ooh, pussy. Boo Boo, that ain't for you. Suck Tarzan's dick. Boo Boo, you got me 50 shades of fucked up. I said suck it.
This bitch bugging. Excuse me, Rosita, can you turn off that music, please? It's 4 in the morning!
I can't wait for the guy meeting on Badoo to come. How much guys are you meeting? Just one. Girl, you know you a hoe, right? Well, I hopped up out the bed, turned my swag on, looked in the mirror and said, what up, nigga? You said you just wanted to put it in the middle. I'm just saying, I got a big... You said just the tip.
No, you'd be a cardboard car. Do you like it, Barney? It's a fucking cardboard car, idiot. What am I gonna do, drive it to my cardboard house?
See, the thing is, I already have my own pussy to play with. Ooh, you mind if I play with it too? Ask me some gay shit like that again. I'll scratch. All those men, I want all of them to touch me.
Wise man once said, if you want that pussy, you gotta take it. Go take this pussy. Bitch, what that mouth do? Boo Boo, I don't suck dick. I'm not a hoe. I'll eat your pussy. Boo Boo, for the last time, I'm not. Wait, you eat my pussy? Yeah.
Alain, do you love me? Come on, Rosa. Oh, shit. Who the fuck is Rosa? Nobody. Go fuck that hoe.
Oh my God, nigga. Tarzan's dick is enormous. Bitch in my butt. Had me like.
You better stay real close to your boyfriend. Cause I'll snatch that ass.
So I asked her whose pussy it was. She said Tony. It's none of my business. I kept stroking.
Hey, what's up, Daddy?
Oh, where the fuck is my money at? You ain't checked in a week, bitch.
I haven't made any money. What can I say? No one's buying.
Oh, so you ain't had no customers. Is that what you're saying?
No, I have not. Sorry, Daddy. It's been slow.
So you wasn't sucking dick behind a rock? No, what are you talking about? Who told you that? Bitch, I seen it. No, you didn't. You're a lie. I see what Chris Brown's talking about now. These hoes ain't loyal. But guess what, motherfucker? Your ass ain't Chris Brown. Bitch, you Rihanna now. Bitch, get your ass up. Who's that nigga on the hill? You brought a customer home? She closed, nigga. Go! Fuck her right in the pussy.
Hey, self-readers. I'm
Boo Boo, you are not the guy I met on Badoo. No, but I got money. Boo Boo, I don't care who you... Hold up. You got money? But dude...
Seems like nobody gives a fuck about this party except you. She's a hater! Get this bitch!
Hey, I got a really big plastic. I mean, it's really big.
I'm so thirsty.
My hair getting wet. Lilo, why are you late? I was getting some fresh new weave. Girl, you ratchet. Bitch, shut up, shit down.
Girl, I see what you doing in there. You giving your boyfriend some of that good.
Just made this with Dory. She's done fucked half the ocean, man. Just ask the seagulls. Girl, what that mouth do? Nothing for you, Boo Boo. Wait, bitch, I got Jay. Are they OGs, my nigga? Yeah. Word. I'm so glad I met you on the Badoo app. Found you, Boo Boo. Oh, so that's the girl you're cheating on me with. I can explain. Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like to hear. Got a sexy body. Oh, shit.
That motherfucker did it. Hey, how you doing? Oh shit, she responded, will you marry me? And here's a picture of my dick. What the fuck does that mean? Me nigga, we ain't worry about nothing. Oh shit, that's my song.
Ah! Hey, stupid. What that weed you been talking about? I smoked it. I told you don't never show nobody.
Hey, little man. See that girl right over there? Yeah, that's my bitch, back the fuck up.
Hey, this real Gucci. It is. Yes, he got money.
Yo, you need to tell her the truth.
Yo, punk ass need to stay away from my girl.
Nigga! Yo! Girl! Ugly! Nobody wants that bitch!
Oh shit, nigga. She wants the D!
Yes!
A bitch need a flat iron because this junk gonna fuck my hair up. Mine better. Mine's laid. Yours nappy. Classy, kinky. Who is Big Dick Rex 95?
Oh, nigga, my fault. Don't be reading my motherfucking messages and shit.
Don't look at me like that. I'm grown.
Sex with me. Boo boo, you thirsty. Dick 10 inches. Boo boo, I don't give a fuck who you think. Hold up. 10.
Wait, check this out. You see all them fine girls sitting up there? They are all my hoes. They're fat, bud. These drugs are kicking in now. Are you high? What they look like, nigga?
Oh my god. Oh, never mind.
So, this is the rest of part 1. My hair's wet, and we're getting. Well, we're getting to film part 2, and you guys should check out Black Veil Bride's music. And if you hoes try going after Andy, I'm sorry, he's mine.
Sorry, my bitches are blowing me up.
You ain't got no bitches. You got those side hoes.
Yeah, they only side hoes.
You. No.